Alright, what's good, you guys? It's your boy Nick back with another episode of Forbes Automotive, and today is going to be an install video. So, surprisingly, really surprisingly, my intake parts that I purchased came in pretty quickly. So, first off, I'm not getting a full cold air or short ram intake. It's literally a silicone pipe, and it's going to be a K&N drop-in filter. Turns out that the drop-in filter, along with a big turbo inlet, which I don't have yet, and a less restrictive pipe, because the pipe that you'll see, it's pretty restrictive. That's good for about 500 horsepower. Like, I looked at all the popular intakes that would be on Mark 7 GTIs, my car, or Golf Rs. The flow of them isn't any better than like the regular box with some pipe, with some de-restrictive piping and a freaking turbo and a turbo outlet. Like there's no, and a drop-in filter. Like there's nothing more. They don't do any better. So, instead of spending $500, $600, even $1,700 on, say, an Inventory or a Unitronic or something, crazy. Like, 500 horsepower, for this car, for a stock Golf, or not stock Golf, but a regular Golf, like, that's pretty good. I don't think we're gonna need any more than that, but, who knows? Maybe in the future, maybe we might have to upgrade to something more crazy, but for now, this works. And also, I found out that there's a snow blocker delete in the intake box. So let's go ahead and get down to the car. I've already popped the hood. I just got back from work maybe about 30 minutes to 45 minutes ago, and I already got the hood popped, so the engine should be cool enough for us to work in comfortably. It's already hot and humid outside, so I don't want to be working in a hot engine bay, but let's get it though. Alright guys, so here's the kit. So we got the ECS silicone hose, the 2 clamps that come with it, and the K&N drop-in filter. Like, I think this kit was like less than $100. And being in Korea, like, there's a shit ton of pollen, that's especially like summer, spring, and hell, even fall, really. Like, this place is, I would say it probably was like more jungly, if anything, like back whenever, before man or whatever. But yeah, this place has a lot of pollen. I changed my cabin air filter and it comes out gray, but when I took it out and changed it, it looked like SpongeBob. Like, that's how much pollen had been sitting in there for, just being a year here in Korea. So this filter should be filthy. It should be. But let's get opening this. And actually, let's do a sound check real quick, show you guys what the car sounds like with everything still factory, and then we'll do a sound test comparison, I guess, see how it goes. Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, I didn't hear any induction noise from that. So it's time to fix that. So let's go ahead and cut to the time lapse. Yeah, time lapse, almost forgot the word. Alright guys, I don't know how that sounded, but hopefully we can cut to the time lapse. Hopefully everything goes smooth and we get this off, get all the new stuff put on, and hopefully, maybe, possibly, it'll sound a little bit louder than that. I heard no induction noise, so it's either A, probably super filthy and can't even flow, and I've been running it like that for a while, which is really, really bad, or it just has a really good silencer, because, this car has a turbo muffler, they're like corrugated piping, a box, and probably it has a really thick OEM filter. Compared to that one, like when I pull it out, I'll do a size comparison. It's super, super thick. So yeah, it's no wonder this thing makes no sound at all. Okay, so we got a good bit of the way, right? So we got this freaking, this is the snow delete, or this is what I'm trying to remove this. Not really sure how to remove this, but once I figure out how to remove this, I will let y'all know, because it's a pain in the neck, and I haven't looked online anywhere, but the way the dude explained it, he just lifted it out of the intake. I'm just like, BS. Like, there's some sort of clip or something that I hate when people make tutorial videos because they never explain it fully. They never explain it all the way. And it's stupid, but we'll figure it out. Alright guys, so after a whole lot of swearing and Harry Potter wizardry, I actually got this stupid thing out without freaking breaking it. I don't understand why Germans do the shit that they do, but oh my god. I don't understand why that was so hard to get out. Like, it's literally four little clips. Why was this such a pain to get out? Like, I don't understand. Like, fucking ugh. But it's out now. Like, it's out. So I got the vacuum already set up. We're gonna sit here and vacuum this all out and try and get it as clean as possible before we put the filter in. Then we're gonna remove this intake pipe, put the new one on, and that should be it. Hopefully we don't run into any more hiccups. Fuck that piece. Like, seriously. So dumb. Oh, and here's the filter. So, I mean, the pollen is yellow and the filter is yellow. I'm trying to really be able to tell how dirty it is. But I mean, like, this is the box. Like the filter is actually thicker than the box itself. So, removing this and getting a thinner filter is actually it's gonna flow more for sure. So, let's go ahead and get this going. Okay guys, that was for sure by far the longest, most annoying thing I think I've ever done. I'm just kidding, it's not the longest thing I've done on this car, but it's by far the most stupid and annoying. Literally, this clamp was sitting upside down like this, so I was reaching past that freaking hot fuel line to get to anything. Sometimes this car just infuriates me, it really does. But we got it off though. We got it off. Hopefully putting everything back on is going to be easier, because at least then I could orient my freaking clamps to actually go where it would make sense to be able to take them off again. So let's get to it. Let's do a last time lapse. It's going to be putting the car back together and then seeing how she sounds afterwards with the snow delete removal and the new filter and the new pipe. Alright guys, it's all put on and all installed. Everything is nice and snug. Things all good. New filters in there. The back clamp is all good. I oriented them to a place that makes sense in case I need to take this off for any reason. secondary air intake is on there. Everything is bueno. We are Gucci. So I guess it's only time to start it up and find out what it sounds like. So I'm actually just gonna leave you guys here. I'll leave you here. I don't think the engine shakes enough for you guys to fall on a felt cover. And trust the car. I trust the car that much. Also, the snow guard's removed as well. So, full bottom snow, I guess. So I don't know if that sounded any different to you guys. I'd have to listen to the videos back to back. But guys, this is gonna wrap it up for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Adios amigos. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more. I'm out.
We the young niggas and we plan to do big things. We just trying to make a